Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do the continuation of the chapter Heights and Distances. Let us start the exercise. First question. In the figure given below, it is given that AB is perpendicular to BD and is of length x meters. DC is equal to 30 meter. Angle ADB is equal to 30 degree and angle ACB is equal to 45 degree. Without using tables, find x. Here we have to find out the value of x given that DC is equal to 30 meter and angle ADB is equal to 30 degree and angle ACB is equal to 45 degree. In the right angle triangle ABC, tan 45 is equal to AB divided by BC. We know that the value of tan 45 is 1. That is 1 is equal to x divided by BC. Therefore, BC is equal to x. Again, in the right angle triangle ADB, tan 30 is equal to AB divided by BD. As we know, the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That is 1 by root 3 is equal to x divided by BD. Therefore, BD is equal to root 3x. But BD is equal to BC plus CD. The value of DC is 30. So, this is x plus 30. That is root 3x is equal to x plus 30. Bring x to the left side. Root 3x minus x is equal to 30. Here x is common. X into root 3 minus 1 equal to 30. Therefore, x is equal to 30 divided by root 3 minus 1. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, that is root 3 plus 1. So this is equal to 30 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 equal to 30 into root 3 plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this is root 3 square minus 1 square. That is equal to 3 minus 1. That is equal to 30 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. That is equal to 15 into root 3 plus 1. We know the value of root 3 is 1.732. So this is equal to 15 into 2.732 equal to 40.98 meter. Next question. From the top of a lighthouse 100 meter height, the angles of depression of two ships are observed as 48 degree and 36 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two ships in the nearest meter if the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. Second part, the ships are on the opposite side of the lighthouse. Here, AD be the lighthouse. At the top of the lighthouse, two ships are observed at 48 degree and 36 degree respectively. Here, this is the top of the lighthouse. If a person is looking down, this is his horizontal line. The angle formed is 48 degree. If the ships are in the opposite side, this is 48 degree. Here it is coming 36 degree. AX is parallel to BD and AB is the transversal. This 48 degree is coming here also. Likewise, AY is parallel to DC and here the angle formed 36 degree. AC is the transversal, so angle ACD is also 36 degree. In a right angle triangle ABD, 48 degree is equal to AD divided by BD equal to 100 divided by BD. Therefore, BD is equal to 100 divided by tan 48 degree. This is equation number 1. In right angle triangle ADC, tan 36 degree is equal to AD divided by DC equal to 100 divided by DC. Therefore, DC is equal to 100 divided by tan 36 degree. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, BD plus DC is equal to 100 divided by tan 48 plus 100 divided by tan 36. BD plus DC is equal to BC. That is, BC is equal to 100 divided by tan 48 you can write 90 minus 42. 36 you can write 90 minus 54. So this is 100 divided by tan 90 minus 42 plus 100 divided by tan 90 minus 54. You know tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So this is equal to 100 divided by cot 42 plus 100 divided by cot 54. You know the reciprocal of cot is tan. So this is equal to 100 into tan 42 plus 100 into tan 54 equal to 100 into the value of tan 42 is 0.9004 plus 100 into the value of tan 54 is 1.3764. So this is equal to 190.04 plus 137.64 equal to 227.68. The nearest meter is 228 meter. That is, if the ships are on the opposite side of the lighthouse, the distance between the two ships is 228 meter. Next part is the ships are on the same side. You know the ships are on the same side. BC is equal to CD minus BD. You know already we find out the value of BC and CD BD. So BC is equal to 137.64 minus 90.04 equal to 47.61 equal to 48 meter. Next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is observed to be 60 degree. At a point 30 meter vertically above the first point of observation, the elevation is found to be 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Second part, the horizontal distance from the point of observation. Here, the height of the tower B, X, that is AB. Here AB is the height of the tower. At a point, here the point, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. In the right angle triangle ABD, tan 60 is equal to AB divided by BD. We know that the value of tan 60 is root 3. That is, root 3 is equal to X divided by BD. Therefore, BD is equal to X divided by root 3. This is equation number 1. It is given that at a point 30 meter above the point, the elevation is observed to be 45 degree. In a right angle triangle AZE, tan 45 degree is equal to AE divided by CE. You know the value of tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to AE divided by CE. Therefore, AE is equal to CE. X minus 30, you know this much is X. This is 30. So, AE is X minus 30. That is x minus 30 is equal to CE. Therefore, CE is equal to BD. Therefore, BD is also x minus 30. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, x minus 30 is equal to x divided by root 3. Which implies that x is equal to root 3 into x minus 30. That is equal to root 3x minus 30 root 3. 30 root 3 is equal to root 3x minus x. Therefore, x into root 3 minus 1 equal to 30 root 3. X is equal to 30 root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1 equal to 30 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 equal to 30 into 3 plus 30 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. That is equal to 90 plus 30 root 3 divided by 2 equal to 45 plus 15 root 3 equal to 45 plus 15 into 1.732 equal to 70.98 meter. Therefore, the required height of the tower is equal to 70.98 meter. Next, we have to find out the horizontal distance from the point of observation. That is, we have to find out BD. Substituting the value of x in equation number 1. Therefore, BD is equal to 70.98 divided by root 3. That is equal to 70.98 divided by 1.732 equal to 40.98 meter. Next question. From the top of a cliff 60 meters high, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a tower are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Here, AB be the cliff and PQ be the tower. From the top of the tower, from the top of a cliff, the top and the bottom of the tower are observed as 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. We have to find out the height of the tower. That is, we have to find out PQ. Let the height of the tower be x. That is, PQ is equal to x. Therefore, this BR is also x. In a right angle triangle APB, tan 60 degree is equal to AB divided by PB. That is, root 3 is equal to 60 divided by PB. Therefore, PB is equal to 60 divided by root 3 equal to 60 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. That is equal to 60 divided by root 3 equal to divided by 60 root 3 divided by 3 equal to 20 root 3 meter. This is equation number 1. In right angle triangle AQR, tan 30 is equal to AR divided by QR. That is equal to 60 minus x divided by QR. We know the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That is, 1 by root 3 is equal to 60 minus x divided by QR. Therefore, QR is equal to root 3 into 60 minus x. This is equation number 2. But PV is equal to QR. From 1 and 2, 20 root 3 is equal to root 3 into 60 minus x. Root 3 cancel. 20 is equal to 60 minus x. Therefore, x is equal to 20 minus. Therefore, x is equal to 60 minus 20. That is equal to 40. Therefore, the required height of the tower is equal to 40 meter. So, I hope this exercise was clear to you all. Practice the questions. Thank you.